Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of party accessories, and let me tell you right now, this isn't just any costume prop. This is the best plunger hat out there. That's right, we're talking about the legendary toilet plunger hat by Foam Party Hats. And if you're looking for something outrageous, hilarious, and totally unforgettable for your next event, this might just be it. Now, let's get into what makes this foam masterpiece stand out. First off, this hat is handcrafted in Houston, Texas by a family-run business that's been delivering party greatness for over 10 years. It's made from high-quality polyurethane foam, which makes it not only lightweight and comfy but also super durable. You can wear it all night without feeling like you've strapped a real plunger to your head. The moment you put this on, you're not just wearing a hat, you're making a statement. It's a bold, ridiculous, hilarious statement that instantly sets the vibe. Whether you're at a Halloween party, a bachelor or bachelorette celebration, a photo booth at a wedding, or even something totally random like a themed office event, this hat doesn't just show up. It steals the show. It's designed to fit most adults comfortably, and the vibrant colors really pop. This is no last-minute dollar store gag gift, it's got legit presence. Foam Party Hats also offers over 600 other crazy hat designs, so if plungers aren't your thing, you've got options. But honestly, this one? It's got that perfect mix of weird and iconic. Shipping is available to several countries, including India, and while it may take a little longer to arrive, trust me, it's worth the wait. Plus, it's part of the Shark Tank family of products, which means it's already been battle-tested in the wild world of outrageous entrepreneurship. So if you're looking for a party accessory that breaks the ice, sparks conversation, and brings the laughs, the toilet plunger hat from Foam Party Hats is the real MVP. Not only is it ridiculously fun, but it's also built to last through all your wild party adventures. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what wacky product we should try next. Until then, keep it weird, and keep it fun.